What do you want?
I wish I'd finished the whole game.
That would be cheating.
So?
No can do. It's against regulations. Anything else you want?
I wish this sad outfit I'm forced to wear was the height of fashion.
Even I can't accomplish that.
Just my luck.
Anything else you want?
Genie, I wish for you to make me a prince.
Well, I'd love to help you, but
But what?
I have to pass you on to a higher authority for a wish like that. I've only been genieing for a couple of months. I used to be an actor, you know.
Great.
Anything else you want?
I wish you weren't such a useless genie.
I've only been at it for a couple of months. I haven't quite got the hang of it yet. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I wish I was back at Calypso's shop.
Alikazim. Alikazam. Alikazum.
I don't think this is Kansas. Excuse me, pal. Do you know how to get to Calypso's Magic Emporium? Translation. No, but I'm going to have to search your body cavities. I can see we understand each other. Help!
What?
Whoops! Some freaky green splat was about to stick a rubber glove up my... And all you can say is, whoops!
Sorry.
What's the matter with you?